Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this feature demo, we're going to be taking a look at the overall software update status dashboard that's offered within Endpoint Insights. This dashboard is going to be a central location for you to check the software update compliance levels of your endpoints across your environment. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dashboard itself here. So we are in the Config Manager console in Assets and Compliance. We have our Recast Software node expanded here. We'll go ahead and open Endpoint Insights, and we can find this dashboard within the Security tab. Right at the bottom here we have our overall software update status dashboard. We'll go ahead and open that up here. So with this dashboard, we can go ahead and select or deselect which classifications of updates we want to check here. We can go ahead and select a collection. I'm just going to leave it at all systems. Then we also need to select from our software update list. I'm just going to go ahead and keep it with all software updates. We'll go ahead and view the report here. From here we get a great view of the compliance levels across our environment of our software updates broken down by classification. So on the left hand side here we get just overall compliance as a whole. And then further down we get our critical updates, our security updates, definition updates, etc. And with these gauges we can actually go ahead and click into them as well. So if we notice that our security updates isn't 100% complete, we could go ahead and click into it and view the updates with their article ID and article name and then a quick description of it, as well as the classification type. And this computer count here is how many devices are missing these updates. So let's, for example, grab this one here. By clicking that computer count, we get the actual devices that are missing that. And if we are actually running right-click tools in our environment as well, we can go ahead and click on the device, go to our client tools, go to install missing software updates. And what that's going to do is pull up our remote software center on this device to the software update tab. And from there, we could actually go ahead and kick off this update if we needed to. Or we could also see if it's just waiting for a reboot as well and reboot it from here. So that's just a quick overview of the overall software update status dashboard that's offered within Endpoint Insights. It's a great place to check compliance levels of software updates across your environment.